More crazy coronavirus behavior, this time in Canada.
Well, you're a real cool.
So what happened was the bank hours changed in British Columbia to accommodate senior citizens, and a guy showed up and got turned away because of the new hours. So there's video of him freaking out. He then licks his hand and starts rubbing it all over the handle of the door and actually starts licking the glass of the door.
Wow.
What's on with people?
I understand this though. There's no harm in this. He just, you know.
He licked the...
No harm. It's just a bit of
It's not like he coughed on somebody.
No, he licked the window.
It's only the next person that comes along and licks the window that'll get it.
It was like, son of a bitch, I was gonna lick that window. Oh, coot, that's my window. You know Mondays are mine.